Join me as I unbox this budget condenser microphone that I got from Shopee. Hello, I'm Elena. Welcome back again to my e-class and bites. If you are interested to learn more about education, technology, and content creation, please consider hitting that subscribe button and be a part of my journey. This video is not sponsored, but the money that I used for buying this budget microphone came from a very generous YouTube creator named Daniel Batal. After watching this video, go and check out his awesome channel. He has various tutorial videos, especially if you are interested to learn more about video editing and other topics about being a content creator. He did a Christmas giveaway last year worth $100 to some of his fellow content creators, and I was lucky to be one of them. It's his way of paying it forward, especially to small creators like me, and I'm very grateful for his generosity. More power to you, Daniel! Daniel asked creators on Twitter how $100 would change their current situation for the better. And my answer was I would like to level up my audio on my videos by buying a better microphone. So here it is. I bought this budget condenser microphone from Shopee. It's the Maono AU-PM360TR condenser microphone kit. Price and links will be posted on the description below. Now, join me on my unboxing. This model has a condenser mic capsule, cardioid polar pattern, ultra-low noise circuit design, state-of-the-art surface mount electronics, 3.5 audio plug output, and is compatible with mobile, computer, and sound card. Let's find out what's inside the box. I will now assemble this microphone for sound testing. I also have an unboxing video of the previous budget lavalier microphone I use on my videos. It's from Tilex and that lav mic has an omnidirectional polar pattern. Later on, I will do a test and listen to how the sound of this condenser mic differs from the phone mic and the lav mic for comparison. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Which of the following mics sound better? The phone mic, the lav mic, or this condenser mic? Type your reply in the comments below. I did not spend all $100 on this microphone because I shared some portion of it to my students when I gave away prepaid loads, and some spent on my kids. Sharing is caring, right? But I am very happy with this purchase. I love the aesthetic of the Maono AU-PM360TR condenser microphone kit. It's very sleek and simple. I can also use it for my podcast videos I am planning in the future. For its budget price, I think it's worth it. Do you agree with me? So if you are looking for a budget condenser microphone, you can check this out for yourself and might wanna give it a try. And if you find value on this video, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the bell to be notified of my new uploads. Also, like and share this with others. Would also love to see your comments below. For more unboxing or some not so expert tech product reviews, check my other videos here. Stay safe!